senior brother, una be mates. What he meant to go see you two fracomoso. One, it meant what Diana far distance. I will never make friendship for vast distance. See you, may I see the kind of people where they follow, they do friendship. Not be all these call these small boys, whether they call mama or they call mama hello. Not be fracomoso be. With the grace. All this one, not this one, they call me mama for Nigeria. Now, mama. I don't know now. I will never do friendship for far distance again. I will lose the person. I think now better person, a person will not see advance. My man, we are the day I advance. Are you okay? You want to do saga with Owere? Oh gosh, shit. A jobless woman like me. Oh, yeah, bring it up, Franco Moswell. Whether you not go drink, enter inside gutter, not to go crush you for my matter. Yeah? I go crush you. What fear you? When no marry. Get the deal. You know you see all the old women where they carry all the day where they carry they use your blood till they fresh. We are here on my ever. Small boy of yesterday. Small boy when they see me when they say mama. I don't know. I go there is a do Godfather. No, I will bear you. Where I be your God? They will be. You are stupid. If you ever to say you're my God, your God, your God, boa. God, fion or really tell you are soon. Why I don't see you finish? You see, get that matter. They call me God. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you okay? See this small boy. We're supposed to they call me mama. Now this is what they say, mama, anything for me, anything for the boys. Now this is idiot for Nigeria. What fear? I beg you, all the social media. I present whatever. It's not gonna move on. Anyway, saga, I gave no give with social media. I think whether Israel, Kevin, not yet with the Bashawo, was soon we. Yeah, mama tell me for do Olosona. They said they will go there go video the place for me. Nobody did the city. Everybody all guess where mama tell me where all of the guys that do Oloso for the road. They said they'll go there in the city one they go video and give me. You bear wagbon. Moijo Maria will put the bashawo. He just can't give the bashawo. You bear wagbon soon. Way 30-something years for our bro. You are wasted. Carry your small boy. What fear way. Please, you people should help me to share. I'm proud of it. Yes, but I feel move on. I can do without them. That is a woman of victory. A woman who don't depend on his parents. A child who doesn't depend on anybody. That is the kind of child I am. I don't depend. I plan with my husband to succeed. Yes, I'm a proud woman of that. Now don't I want to saga me? No, my dear, you can use that to saga me. A child who mother and father who they don't care for, but the woman stand. Please, you people should put F1. Then you think this is a saga? You know what I don't see for life? Now you said can't weigh me. You are a swore. Help me. Please, you people should put F1. Oh yeah, talk.
This is not too low to go insult my beautiful wife.
No, people go to present wife. You go to present the day. Your pretty waiting. Already, it doesn't carry money give you now. It doesn't carry salary give you now. Now, so you did one. I know. Anytime we take give you money, it's your beautiful wife. It's a wife of a caliber. It's a wife of understanding. That is your wife. Because I'm moving when amigo. You are very stupid. We are having you go on your bush on your holy. Not far away. Only with a beautiful wife. A beautiful wife, no more grandchildren. Only with a beautiful wife. Women, women, wife, you wear, the day you wear. You bless everybody when you collect as goddaughter. You go see the other one where you donate money for. What you do come on? Beggar, you're not going to do the disgrace you wear. Also, no man, Godfather, if my fruit, small boy, not in a mama. We're supposed you have now this kind of people they call me mama for Nigeria now. Mama, anything for the boys. Now down from Commons now. What bell? Where's a guy man? I'm a bitch, I'm a bell. He said you know this saga you're beautiful. Where will be your beautiful wife? Or go on be your Kevin. The saga where my husband give and I they pay for body. We hear the saga, man. No, the saga where you do what they talk. When they cause mama Kevin children, what be that one? Not be saga. Well, maybe, but I so poor you are one year to well at you. Well, you can be a body winner now. Who do you be this one? Belly away. Well, la away. Here, my boy, I continue my song.
Because my wife read that letter. All our trustee, all the people from court, police, all come out here in Italy. People that know so you understand? So I say, I had an issue. The Canadian hospital. I said did not know that she was pregnant. She just my wife. Was also known in the hospital. At the end of the day, later came up. She phoned the letter to my wife. She was pregnant. My wife said she gave her leg. You want her? My wife said, babe, your goddaughter gave her leg. She gave her leg. See, I don't say relation. We lock up. My wife not know not be your husband. Give her a leg. She called me on the peak. In your house, I'm get better with us. So now she can come in. Daddy, I can pick. And this was here because they explain. I said, listen, you go there, correlation. That's okay. If you get this bill now, you go make a quick release you for us. Arrest my own mentality. You not listen to idea. I said, come on, leave this bill. This bill now go see make the quick release you from house arrest. As Godfather, my wife. He said, no, you know, if you don't want to move on, I will remove with your mask. I will remove.
My brother, you're not supposed to talk with smart. This kind of thing is record from Commons War. You say now you are there. You say now, you say now your wife has still there. You see where for they block you. Your lies too much. You say me I call you now. You say now your wife I call. From Commons War. No, this thing not supposed to be say you they talk. Bring record and bring every day. Your woman still talk and you dey your woman house now. You say the hospital where I got the paper where me take remove belle. Your wife say you get her. Please can you bring it out? My look bush. Brother, we forget one bogey for we forget a goosey for hotel about the hotel when I sleep. Please, you say I say you the bishop. Please, can you bring it? And from Commons War, you don't have record of me, and you want consaga me. Hey, yeah, you go explain. You go tire. You go explain. Your people don't need explanation. They only need evidence. Baba with the smell, with the talk with evidence. Oh, Baba with the smell, with the talk with evidence. He reach and say, oh, hey, brother, you explain. Brother, you go explain. Without no evidence. I like evidence for one thing. If they talk with proof. Brother, my drunkard, we need proof. And my husband don't tell you, say, he go give you 5 million. Now these kind of people, they plan something, not they for put. 5 million is attack on the 10th of February. Brother, you they explain without no evidence. And you know, say, my husband say, he go give you 3 million. Me say, I go give you 2 million. Brother, We are talking about 5 billion. Maybe if you go buy land, start new life. Egusi now, you say you live for a hotel. I bet can't go bring, can't give me. Now and I forgive you Egusi. Mona can't give me back. Or now give me my money. Brother, where they lie. Brother say he forget Egusi. I tell us make up pay for the Egusi way I give her. He say he forget Egusi for hotel. Hotel where he sleepy forget her. I go carry Egusi for there. Wow. My brother. Oh yeah, this story not for put. My day we catch you for the first time. Make the fair look your video where don't fair do. You say me not the shame me with the husbands. 40 years away you give me na pet and go and buy. No win your word. Now you say you know you ever when we swan ne brother we swore. Who was swore way your squad there. Now that squad I want me you did. When I go finish your life. Now that squad why squad you running. Now the punishment where I give you be that one. Wow soon.
I don't know how you do abortion with your mass. It's not possible. Did your husband say you know they can't go to take a responsibility of this baby? Are you okay? Say no, dad, you don't go.
Fracomos for me, are you going to this kind of talk? You say I know they call you. At first, you say na your wife. Now you. So me, are you going to talk this kind of talk? Fracomos you no record me. You are a sincere godfather. For this kind of story, with this kind of narration, where you narrate, my brother, you no can get evidence, you no record. This kind of everything we supposed to use against me for front, like this matter they happen. You go the plan, my brother. You say you no record that. Brother, this kind of story where you the narrate so with math, it don't get record. And me come they tell you all this kind of things. Settle down. And you no record that. Baba where they see me. I hate you. But bro, wherever I pity people when you don't condemn their marriage. I pity them. Jesus. So I say they believe it that year. We narrate we are what cooking or what we are time with tiny. Only brother, get me. I think you say my go be your end. You just scatter people marriage. I say my go be your last bus stop. You think I'm joking with you? Oh yeah, let's go there.
They want to move on. He insist on what? Come down. Are you sure your husband give his belly? Why are they saying when you move on? See, my husband is suspect.
See this story. See this story. Where Mozo supposed to record. He's supposed to even after they shop money from my hand. Oh God. Fracomozo. Chai. Your story for Puto. You are as your go mama cavias. Now your cook can't give you your window time with social media. Oh, sorry. This story is so wonderful. What Bobonen? Monatella, congratulations. Fracomozo, you have done well. Well, this story really done. When you know them Mama Kevias, you know cool this story well like this. So now when you can't reach Mama Kevias, honor the done. You even Mama Kevi even talk and say I even snap the picture, the papers where I go remove Bele. The only people who I snap give you now this police this thing now. Come post now. My story is on social media. It was sorry. The story done. He cook. I can't tell you say no be my husband though. My husband can't my easier me the thing can't cause quarrel between me and my husband. Jesus, the story done, my brother. We go our cook story. So now this one we take the scatter people ask. Now so you take the planner. All these men are useless, man. For them to listen to you to break their own, they are useless. Your story for for put sorrow. And my husband, you dey hear all these things. Not worry, my husband dey hear the story. He just dey hear am. Sorry, Oh, sorrow.
Me, and one of my mother was so sorry, so I'm angry, but the question, and when they talk, I say, your husband is suspect. I was like, who give you the belly? And I know, say, you know, when they approve me, you're disappointed that they form for them. As me, I was not very anxious on knowing what is going on.
Then you did not record. You were so action to listen to me. Into that action, then you did not press record. Hi, hallelujah. Somebody said the story is cooking. This story is making me. Say the story, but this story enter, my brother. So you were so action. Your action was so man. If I come on. You were getting this thing one day. I was so action. And you did not press record. Oh, see the seriousness, you see the seriousness. We say, I was so action. Oh, well, I know if you see, you see, he was so action. Not the person. My brother, the story you enter. My brother, so nobody feel right out for there say, brother, as we are so action, so you not gonna press record immediately. Continue your story for food. I swear, Jay. Mama Kevin, you your cooker. Oh Jesus, he was so action. On what you bopper, on what you had that top. His face on top. Oh God, the Baba with the cement. I'll pick for you.
She goes, okay, then I said, no, we're not for it. I said, listen. He got call. I call him back. You know, I call him back, he pick. She pick, I'm not lying. Because of the saga. You know, that or respect him on what they men know. So that, that you know, I say, I got pet and say, nobody's above mistake.
You say complex me. You say God tell me say nobody is above mistake. Oh my brother, and you not press record. My brother, story. I beg. I want make this story get part 2. I beg, you go get part 2. Yeah. I want make this story. You go see get part 2. Your story. Oh what day yo. And people where you're the blogger, all these people where they wash you, they're not gonna tell you say, brother, for all this action where you take, and you know say strong evidence, brother, you not record. My brother. A story no what they yo. What they yo. Yeah, Tamama they yo, what they yo. You will help me write story.
Me, I deal with you as a father. Trust me.
Yeah.
What's your problem? My problem. I want to be happy. What is the problem? Talk to me.
Yeah.
Who be the man who is responsible for this pregnancy? Because I know, say, if this is not your husband, you don't want about this baby.
Francomoso, for all this thing where you talk, bring go juju paper come. I will answer you. Say, I can't tell you, say, my way give me belly, na second floor a day. Allah Jagwa. I'll still give you 5 million. Me and you call the this deep story, and you did not record. Francomoso, ugele wazu abegbeya, ugele wa, uzwa ukongbe, my brother, ugele kun. Shit, For this thing where they talk, if you read say na truth, Jebebe Gume, I can't call you, I can't tell you say same person where you get her. And I go answer, and I may permit you. Say, as they told this thing now, I say not come debunk. Okay, may I bring go juju paper come, may I come debunk. I go answer you and I go swear. Just bring go juju paper. Because I'm not getting money where they waste for juju. If you break on, I will answer you. You go me, yeah, boy, yeah, that is. But if you bring, I will answer you. Say, this the way you dey talk, so you know what can't debunk am. Okay, now I want to bring you come, make come debunk am. This one you are fighting for my husband, so you don't know. You dey fight for my husband. First solution to it. You still have 1 year to scatter this marriage. I'm telling you, if you can't, if you go fit, I'm just telling you, you still get extra 1 year. Put more effort, my brother. I say, put more effort to this marriage. You will be a loser. I'm telling you the fact. You have been doing it to people, but you see, it will be your head. Ahaya bere away. Ese ha bere away. Where's you met to get the fear where you thought I better away mufwa. Now my own, now go be your end. I continue your story.
Because you want this belief, because it make you see, go because you look at your kids, they could release you for us, right? Because you are pregnant, woman. Because you go see from they go outside, they go hospital, they go outside, they go see your kids. You say, Daddy, now true to, but no, my husband get the belly.
Very good story.
Now then my pricks enter inside, and I was shocked.
There, you know, cause say repeat it again. Then may you press record. You not go do that one. Your story enter, sha. It done. I swear, the story done. Story, what a beautiful story. We need part 2 of the story. Oh, my brother, without no evidence. At least your wife still talk and say, I send her your picture, I send her photos. I send her photos, photo of the Bele papers where I go remove. Make it bring her now. Everyone. He say he get her. I bet I want make it bring her. Bring her now, my brother. Wa fiyan away. Ojekia.
Say, I don't know one guy get I don't fit talk but that they are big. Now see, how come one guy can you with the house arrest? You didn't see me. You son, yeah, but me, I want second and say you didn't see me. You with the house arrest. You say no, that they are not saying the house arrest. Sometimes you see they don't like this now. This they will carry the command this through up and down. But when I say condominium, but I know if you go outside, I have to my condominium. I can say that. It's good.
For all this strong see person they ask me question and I can't open my like stupid, like I can't they ask you all this the way they talk is stand stupid, like them you can open my can't they tell you all this thing and you did not put it on record. You are a shameless man, I swear. So all the deep things where you hear they talk like this, so you not record anyone. And nobody will not know you for this social media. So you are a recorder. A recorder. So with all this deep thing, I can't tell you. Okay, continue, my boy. Your story enter. So all this deep thing, I not record you. You not record me.
Me don't know. See, I see the smoky bowl. He never told me say in the small local.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I want to tell you say like a neighbor. I said, you the struggle. I said, who give you the belly? Who you struggle? It's like a neighbor.
The neighbor not get name, my brother. The neighbor not even get name. Francomo they talk something. The guy name he no know. He said na second floor. The guy name he not even know. He not even get picture. He not get picture. Now what did the manager go tell him? The person who first stay my house will sleep with married man for my ass. Nothing, no picture, no evidence. At least you will show one sign. One sign. Like no picture, no record. My brother, your story, for all this deep word where they talk so. no record, and you no record me as a good good presenter. Where the secret is safe. The secret is safe. Very safe. The secret is really safe. Very safe. Also, man, away. Continue, my boy.
And people, what down the hall?
With the listing.
See, not to be on a second floor for carry below. You know, there's not guy with the second floor like below.
Okay.
On 8. On my own, that's why.
Yeah, I say, not tell Lamo. He say, now waiting in here. I been a lawyer. He say, not tell Lamo. He say, not tell her, say, he give her belle. He say, not talk. Mona see you, Mona listen you. He don't by himself talk truth. My people, after all the story, I am Mona listening. My car go back again, Mona here.
On 8. On my own, that's why. Ever since I see, and people, I say, it's working. Me no know, see the smoke the bowl.
Mona listen you.
See the smoke.
Mona the listen now.
I want to tell you, say, like neighbor. I said, you the struggle. Who give you the belly? Who you struggle? See that neighbor. And people, what down the hall? See not to be on a second floor for carry belly.
Na yara, I say not tell her, say na second floor for carry belly. Oh, but God don't confuse himself. You see person where they talk like, now you they talk and say, you can never control the truth. After all this narration, you can't see stupidly. I say never tell you. And they call you, they tell you all this narration before. Now, I say never tell you, say, I get beleo. When I see Frank Omozo.
You know the reason I'm guy with the second floor like Frank Beleo.
Is yara? He said, na I say, I say, don't change that. He said, I say, not tell her, say, give her beleo. He said, now waiting in here. Mona listing.
8. On my own, that's why. Ever since I say, tell the word who give you belly. You need to be saying neighbor.
This guy don't see. This guy don't allow. He don't drink. Oh boy, see how this narration. He say I never tell Lamo. He say na yeah. Now he see come back because why? He has drunk. Oh, he doesn't drink again. Una listen, una yeah. My brother, not the drink again. Drink not good for your head. Drink not good for your head. You better stop drinking. Your narration not for put now. I say not tell you say I get beleo. I say not tell you say na person for second floor. Now I give you beleo. You see. You are. I will look. See, they will look you stupid when you come to me. It's my way. As far as I say you treated the top of this social media, I will make you a stupid somebody on social media. I don't know. See how stupid you are. I not tell you say I get beleo. I not tell you say now best way the second floor. Now I give me beleo. Now what are you saying? All this narration can't tell you. He said now Bessie. Now you see, he doesn't say that they fuck up, he still come back to himself. Because why? You have drunk. You are using the influence of alcohol to come and talk it on social media. Francomozo, go and sleep and wake up again and don't drink alcohol and come to social media and come and talk to me very well. See what? Only you want to defend me. Only you want to see the saga me. See how stupid and drunker you are.
To my first floor, you know, the second floor, you know, the fourth floor. If you don't see anything floor,
okay,
you need to say a neighbor. When you go here,
you like yara. He said, I not tell her say the person dey second floor. I not tell her say the person dey third floor. I not tell her say, but you said the person dey second floor. That was your saga. All this again now why on there? More let her sleep again, may get up. You were mentioning say go and look all your video. Thank God say blog and see blog song. Thank God say blog and see blog song. When you sit talk say the person na second floor e dey. Now you say I not tell you say the second floor, I not tell you say the third floor, I not tell you say this go and sleep and wake up again. And that's what I told you, say this story was, see, you if you dey use truth they talk, you they talk now I mean every year you dig where. Thank God say blogger they blog all these things, all this why they talk say person for second floor, person for second floor, in neighbor for second floor, in neighbor for second floor. Now you say I not tell you say the person they second floor, I not tell you say the person they third floor, I not tell you say they fourth floor. From Komozo, which one the one can believe? Not let them do stupid now. Blogger will come blog, they'll come confused. Bloggers will come blog, they'll come confused. I want me blog called where for the talk say the person the person the second floor. Now he said the person not the second floor again. He said I not tell her. He said better tell her say that neighbor. Wagara aworo. You see how stupid you are in this video. Ubeg anyone disgrace boy. Only you want you to disgrace yourself. But all this while you say I tell you say the person the second floor. Now you say I don't tell you say the person the second floor. I not tell you say the person the third floor. I not tell you say the person the fourth floor. I only tell you say my neighbor. Francomoso, which one do I can't believe? Come out for live video, make the call talker. Please, blogger, you people should go blog the one way Tato says the person the second floor. Now that one take the knock because he don't see and say. There is a mocker. Now he can't talk, say, I not talk, say the person, the second floor. I not talk, say the person. Then which one we can't talk? See how stupid you are. Who will disgrace it, but where? Francomoso, you are just disgracing yourself. More you they disgrace yourself, more they look down on you. You know, some people not they call you for live video again if they do YouTube anything. I tell you, we more query. More buwe Wa bell. Just look at the lies.
Sleep with them. I say, really? Say, yes, Jesus. It didn't shock me. When no wodo. That they are big. To come on, I beg. You know, you go to go sagami.
Where is the proof? Error after all this life, by the way. Oh, yeah, continue.
Good. Sorry to say, the Christ, my little novice, the way to talk, the good Kusaka, me for the That's no problem. This is one who are important, no problem. The content, because you don't want the pregnancy. Now, the same hospital for the mover. All the letter. Now, why they want to read?
Abe briga, una yera na. We na mola dia. Una yera. Now, my brother, for all this talk where you can't talk, now what you say me my husband can't do now? Now be the question what I will ask you. For all this narration where you can't narrate now, because definitely people where you narrate for, then they not go near me. They not they feed me. They not they close me. Nothing. The only person where they feed me, where they maybe the buga, where they maybe they mock you say, I don't get us, you not get us. Now, what do you want now, Francomoso? What do you can't want me my husband can't do for all this story now? My husband don't hear everything now. Now, for the stupidity where you can't do for my ass, when my husband see, then he go come believe your story, then he go cause and say, via. Okay, now let me call they ask you now for all this story now when my husband don't hear now. What do you can't want me my husband can't do? It's a question. Francomoso, my husband don't hear the matter. Now, what do you want me my husband can't do? Come outside, can't tell the whole world. Say, Jerry, see what your wife do. I want me your wife do like this. What do you want me my husband can't do me? Oga, homebreaker. My husband don't listen now. My husband come dey ask you now, say, okay, drunkard, wetin you want make you come do your wife? You are still in that good position to say it. Because my husband, anybody wey cheat on her, he can never accept it back. And you know it. And my husband know say I get belle. I can't tell her say not being get am. So now let me dey tell you now. My husband don hear am. Now everything wey you talk. Now what you want make my husband come do now, my brother? It is say I be person, where they keep secrets from my husband. Me and my husband, we know the I secret. Secret. If I call you, if my husband come, I dey tell am. At first, he say I toast you. The other one, he say I drink see you. My brother, he say I can't tell you. We record. Now, all this narration where you can't narrate now. What do you say me my husband can't do now? Fracomoso. Where mama Kevin born children or me bastard you are. He born children. The two children will be Igbo own now. Igbo, either Igbo man or they call your children. Abandoned children. Abandoned children. The children where mama Kevin born for Igbo man. The Igbo man abandoned the children. Because your children is that bastard children. Abandoned children. Imagine a woman we born two children. For a Igbo man, Igbo when they know they let their children, they know they throw away their children. He reached Mama Kevin now. Igbo man abandoned the children. Abandoned children. Because the man come back for prison. Before the Igbo man come back for prison, Mama Kevin don already get belle for Kevin. Make us no let her take keep. He make us the destruction on Tolwe. You born one for Igbo man, you bought the second one for Igbo man. You no rest for there. Because he say because you and your husband, the Igbo man, go spend how many years for prison before you come, you get belle for Kevin. You get belle for Kevin. Igbo man come back now. He see you see belle. Shame on you, useless woman. And at the thing that the character see follow you until now. They cry follow Subok Bola. You said the Bola na small Bola. Because of Bola, they not circumcise you. You not do be Kevin. The man we see born Kevin or error. See what they talk for live video. He said, "For come also call ask. He say, where is the father of all this bastard?" He can't tell you say the children dead, the papa dead, the papa not dead. Because they abandoned the children. The Igbo man abandoned the children for you. I dare you. Woman where he put money for his head. Before he come back for prison, another man give her belle, wait till buck Kevin. You don't get shame for face. Mama Kevin go work. You carry a pikin, you're the lasher. All because of say he don't want to lose you. All because of say he want make you born. If they not fit born, Mama Kevin not fit born. If they clap at them, Mama Kevin pikin. Imagine this idiot. Mama Kevin go work. Your mother now, Mama Kevin go work. He leave the pikin. He leave her for Fracomoso. Fracomoso, you the clap at that pikin. He just the lick that pikin make goose. Oh, I don't know. My daddy's husband is very sweet because that one I never experienced licking. Fracomoso don't use lick to lick that get make you lick the get make you the get make you he make you come fair. Oh no, the fair. Mama Kevin go come out now. He go carry if he don't drink finish. He go carry a daughter. Also a clap at here. Also a laluwe. Also a laluwe. Oh, viye Kevin. Who go along no bien we. Osmana. Oh, ya. After Mama Kevin don't do it duty for night. Daybreak he don't go work. He pick your clap at the morning. Very useless thing. Where's that guy me? For the old story where you just talk now, what do you want me my husband can do? Oh yeah, come and talk. No, I think you are a home breaker. A home breaker. I tell you, say, I'll go be your head. I tell you, this is a joke with you. Who will tell me a joke? A marriage initial women might break. A marriage initial might break. We're no fair. A stranger, you will not reach my genius brother age mate. Now you are my junior brother, the drag age. Small boy like you. Where you supposed to see me, go they tell me mama. Now all these people they tell me mama, I greet you, anything for the boys. Now this idiot now. Wow, fear. Ah, de ye kwa. Ah, bibi bia bi webekun. We were told we had to give me with saga. So if you do saga with me, a person no you met your food. Take away, want to take my life. Now you case where God make where I was supposed to take my life, he not take my life. When no more careful of it, so you go see what people say about you on that social the priest platform. They can't even know anything, they even know you, but you look stupid. Shame on you. You come out, you are causing the advice people. I mean, and you need to settle this thing. Oh, we now we met his tenor where you want to the advice people. Oh, we job devil. Money where they not for Sharon. They say you kele way. Apakanetina money where they donate for that woman. Uve way o job devil. Where like the way they are forming senti. We are like you the form say you be better person. Who beggar. For one wow or job devil. Now I go see now say you return. Now you talk to many stories follow you. You say make I return your money. I return your money. Be based on the drug. You not gonna know how much. You not gonna know what to make me return. The money where I return, you not know what it be. The food where your people come shop for, then they are not you your hair. I not return the 100,000. 150 where Abia will give me. You not collect and who your hair. Abia will not be go me not do not be the head band who your hair. Money was sent for me for Christmas side. In the end, we buy. Then what are you looking for? Food where your people chop from my house, drink where you the carry a carton of drink. You know how much the carton of drink? 3 people that shouted, you say how stupid they look stupid. You say you shatter motor for 3 people. Only 3 people. Now you shatter who? You not carry Venza. You not carry a Jonah. No get boy. But I make them look you foolish. Who those who are? Now my do say I say make you return now. It don't turn to many to say poverty maybe face away. Maybe na be go where one boy he. Maybe we have a zua the beya. Now woman I dey give plenty excuse on this bogu we na. Egusi weri and na kwane na. We met you pay be gusi ayo hotel. You leave my gusi. Return my ogusi, you say you leave her for a hotel. Shame on you. See how poverty sticky you are. DG. See how poverty you are. You must not tell me. I not give you many excuses. Or this government who will give explain. Let's say you leave her for a hotel. Let's say you good one for there. Beg agbowe. Drunkard. Abandon hotel. Now you use your mouth talk as an abandon hotel. Who want your phone? If you drink, go to sleep. Yeah, you got this great segbo. Adogo, do, odogo. Iwaya bowa. Umeti mumi yo paladia. House with the stuff in the marriage they build. You live back to leave the house, the property. You live her for old woman. Not be even your girl. Well, say do when I went out. Abia wagi wunana gagbo we would dig ye cannot dog here. Are you abia where as it late cost for it way peso as it peso na it was pass. Emi ya no real boy ye do no danwe. Egbanwe gagbo whether the na. Since we take marry mama Kevin, what have you achieved? What if they follow you the plan? Ije go mo wa pa you can I just say you be baba with the smell, baba with the smell. Say you go fit collect the ass from Ije go and a lie. Ije go stand by ground. God but when you start for square one again. We will do it. We call you turn. Am I how many years for abroad? You were the thought of my husband. If you see my husband, they call her bros. Now the same time you are my husband, tell her abroad. My husband don't get wife, get 2 children. Don't build us, then the second house. Give your wife document and the family document. What are you still doing abroad? You call 2016, my husband called 2016. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Maybe now a month now you take senior my husband, or my husband is a month senior you for abroad. 2016, you no shame. You carry your people, go the ass, the man ass where you are, you gather enter abroad the same year. Shame on you, Franco Moswell. My husband called 2016. You called 2016. My husband build us. You know shame. You don't get shame. You carry your people, go the man ask where you are, you get the enter abroad the same year. What a shame and disgrace. Then you call yourself a man. You are not a man. The same year you and my husband enter abroad, he get wife for us. He get 2 children where they take care of. You and my husband una come the same year. That the same year, so my husband give you wife and his children document. He himself get, my brother, you still remain undocumented immigrant. 2016. In 2016, where they come, what is your useful in this abroad in 2016? What is your achievement in 2016 to this time, my brother? My husband will come 2016. He can tell you what he has achieved. And at the same year, una enter, brother, you are not a failure. My brother, you are a failure. A man, there at the end of the day, you not see get woman for us, you not get children. At the end of the day, in 2016 to this time, what you achieve, now marry the day you achieve for 2016 to this time. No house, no document, nothing. My brother, go and sit down. You don't get anything where you disagree me. Ajay. My husband, where they talk to so, if you saw they call her bros, how you take do one? You will not send me and you come. How far? What did they happen? Cause of give me, tell I go give you. You are stuck as wine. He got 2016. He don't plan life for his children. He don't plan life for he 2016. Don't put account, but you never get anyone. For 2016, what you don't achieve for 2016 to this time, a day, now be the person where you don't achieve for 2016, and at the same year, you and my husband enter abroad. It go for your under of your nose. God can't get family. He can't give the family document. He can't build that. He still did the second house. My brother, you are a failure. You wasted your year for 2016. You end up a junkie. Everybody they bring what they don't achieve. Or you say go where my brother, you not get anything on what is agami. For all this narration where you don't narrate, what you call me my husband can't do. So now that one me come they ask you now. Can't give me answer. He don't hear the video. He say my brother, he don't hear you. Thank you. Now, what you call say make he can't do? Oh yeah, can't tell her. E baba, wa era me wo ije me, wo egbe, ati ko wo egbe ya do te no sunu. Wa fin awu, ewe, see how disgrace and shameful you are. 2016, how many years? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 10 years in abroad. My brother, you are wasted. My husband 2016, he make use of all these years where, but you end up with that is the alley, your beautiful wife for 2016 to this 10 years. What you have achieved is a day. All your people, they are rich, they plan future, they builders, they their family. Or it's a boy I am they every year. You will be in this punishment. Nonsense. They say, this one say, I say, never say, he say, he don't the second floor. He not say, he did 10th floor. He not say, but you say, the second floor. That was your statement. No, every year. Now you want to do saga with me. We go shake me. Bomb. Case where go make me buy. I don't buy as a survivor. Now your saga where you go do. When me go the easy after the jagarate. Me the easy and wipe away times. Me not get work as you don't answer me. Then me will call the look and say, Wafia wu away. Piki ma where they clap at mama Kevin piki. Wa soon agwa boy. So I need your reply. What do you want me my husband can do? Oga, all this story where you can't talk now. My husband don't hear her. Then what do you say me my husband can't do? Can't give her the best advice. May pursue me come up for us. Now you put me where it is. Away. What does that marriage, man? You a young baba, you a young boy love. We care your own. Ekia de bekia, wow, papa, at your mozonia. Wow, soon, when no fair, I think it's in a man will be your end. Who you be? A June like you. What do you be? You be June. What do you be? I not be nothing. What do you take? I go to the people wife. What do you do? Because I not get fisher. That people were your boss said this guy don't sleep with married woman for Nigeria. They call something a married woman the day and see you. Pride go make you fall. Gagbo wena abio wa leg cause or you before by see you. The cause of abio wa you worry wena. Iwe ya go down with Degi Yeke. All presenter the show, all presenter the present. Also work when they do your present. People they present document. You still go to say I get document. You consider advise me say I see don't get this document. So you go put up for tournament. You know way. See this way. See person where they advise me. My husband where they work. They are called leave work. You see how this boy they stupid. My husband get life contract, see guilty conscience. You know say not get to you want your see prayer as you get this document you go put her for autonomous and my husband get life contract. Say how stupid you are. Say my own autonomous I go put her. Okay, boy, wagbon undocumented immigrant. Say that so they attach it for my head, they attach it for Mama Kevin. Yana see boy. A matter near ya, a shit near ya, you say that they tie shit for my leg. That shit, now, not for Mama Kevin, motto, or goon, or mercy that you the motto, if ye will for our money, and there are abandon children. Man, bon piki, Igbo people who don't forget their Ada, their first daughter, Ada. Igbo man will not forget their first daughter. Or you say, but where Igbo man don't live there. Away. First daughter where Igbo people know they are abandoned. You saw where you can be now abandoned. Why the man not go abandon her? Before he come back for prison, he dey lash another Benin guy. Wow, now you want to saga with me? I will run. What till you get where I will run? No achievement for 10 years. My brother end up with a day. Oh, you land the bekusi here. How many bekusi you go lick where you take them money to the pay as well? Wow, soon. Your own goddaughter, Your own god daughter now they follow they do soapy. Aguado buwe Francomoso ita. Aguado buwe. Your own god daughter. You are in the do soapy for video call. Shame on you. Which I say better they look Mama Kevin. Only gele was so. Oh well, like your father they disrespect me. Now say they carry me the home where better can have a koji. When my son and better desperate, I can get boy, you know. Your marriage with my marriage is not the same. It's not the same. It cannot hold well day. When I be given no give we got 30 years in abroad. Imagine, Mama Nora never spent that kawa. Yago wa no mu yoto. Where would the sagara data where this one, your where this one, he is a show this one. Your woman will do a show, he can never bring anything to achieve. He not get anything we achieve. Your woman will do a show to pay madam. He see free at the end of the day. He will not see one plot of land. Amame one plot of land. Yago we nora. Or relevant on a get your web for 30 something years. We go gioma. Well, if people see they brag, Mama not a brag, yes, or no. Every all women they bring come out, it's a beer Kevin for how many years? Or Mamma Muladia. Why do I gioma? 2016, Lure, now the same year, you are my husband enter abroad. Then you talk to me, you're supposed to say, bros, good evening, we are 3 years. Lazy ma uma onu wina wa gwali goko wa gwali document no ko dere document yobo 2016 oga na give me document or different 2016 olawebo already what have you achieved for that 2016 now omoni person when my husband got the enter abroad the same time and now we godfather wow godfather ni mebedi the same year we enter that my husband enter you know the shit. My husband build us. You say your people go there. And the same year now you are my husband enter. Go and take care of yourself. Get where I'm where. The guy where you are, he got the enter abroad. Don't go build us. You say your family go there. Francomosan, is it not a slap to you? Nonsense. Is it not a slap? Be ashamed of yourself. You can't give me the corner, but when you see the count second has they go. Wherever Nina, Mama Kevin they tell say he will start to the build another for how many years in abroad. I bet my people make a live when I go shop, I go sleep. Nonsense. Oh, you saga me, you saga me, you are nothing. My junior brother will not be mates. Well, what you mean they cannot go see your 2 Francomoso? One, it may what Diana far distance. I will never make friendship for vast distance. See you, may I see the kind of people where they follow, they do friendship. Not be all this call these small boys, whether they call mama or they call mama hello. Not be Francomoso be. With the grace. All this one, they call me mama for Nigeria. Now, mama. I don't know now. I will never do friendship for far distance again. I will lose the person. I think now better person, a person will not see advance. My man, we are the day I advance. Are you okay? You want to do saga with Owere? Oh gosh, shit. A jobless woman like me. Oh yeah, bring it up, Francomoso. Whether you not go drink, enter inside gutter, not to go crush you for my matter. Yeah? I go crush you. What fear? We no lomare. Get the deal. You know they see all the old women where they carry all the old they carry they use your blood till they fresh. We asking on my ever small boy of yesterday. Small boy when they see me when they say mama. I don't know I go this I do godfather no I beg you where I be your God. They will be you are stupid if you ever thought say you're my God your God boa. God fion or really tell you are soon. Well, I don't see you finish. You see, get that matter, they call me God. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you okay? See this small boy, we're supposed to they call me mama. Now this is what they say, mama, anything for me, anything for the boys. Now this is idiot for Nigeria. What fear? Adegi ko idegesi wa idegi ke service all the social media. Agbaya present we whatever no. E no gena ya move on. Egi we saga ya give no give social media. Awo I think whether Israel ye Kevin no dia we gbedo bashawo wa soon we. Yeah, Mama Kevin for do Olosho now. They said they will go there, go video the place for me. Nobody did the city. Every all the old guys where Mama Kevin, where all of the guys that do Olosho for the road. They said they will go there in the city one they go video and give me. You bear wagbon. Moijo Maria we put the bashawo. Ija Kevin the bashawo. You bear wagbon. You soon. Way 30 something years for our bro. You are wasted. Carry your small boy. Wa fear. Way. Please, you people should help me to share. I'm proud of it. Yes, but I feel move on. I can do without them. That is a woman of victory. A woman who don't depend on his parents. A child who doesn't depend on anybody. That is the kind of child I am. I don't depend. I plan with my husband to succeed. Yes, I'm a proud woman of that. Now don't I want to saga me? No, my dear, you can use that to saga me. A child who mother and father who they don't care for, but the woman stand. Please, you people should put F1. Then you think this is a saga? You know what I don't see for life? Now your saga can't weigh me. You are a swore. Help me. Please, you people should put F1.
Nothing but the truth about the sea.
Oh yeah, talk.
If it's not so low to go insult my beautiful wife,
no, people go to present wife. You go to present the day. Your pretty waiting. Already, it doesn't carry money give you now. It doesn't carry salary give you now. Now so you dey do one. I know. Anytime we take give you money, it's your beautiful wife. It's a wife of a caliber. It's a wife of understanding. That is your wife. Because I'm moving when amigo. You are very stupid. Don't want we have it. You go on your bush on your holy. Not far away. Only with a beautiful wife. A beautiful wife, no more grandchildren. Only with a beautiful wife. Soon. A woman. My wife, you were. The day you were. You bless everybody when you collect as goddaughter. You go see the other one where you donate money for. What you do? Come on. Beggar, you're not going to do the disgrace you were. Also, no man, Godfather, my fruit. Small boy. Not in a mama. You have now this kind of people they call me mama for Nigeria now. Mama, anything for the boys. Now down from Komozona. What bell? Where's a guy man? I'm a bitch, I'm a bell. He said he's not this saga your beautiful wife. Who be your beautiful wife? Or go on be your Kevin. The saga where my husband give and I they pay for body. We hear the saga, man. No, the saga where you they do what they talk. Where they cost Mama Kevin children, what be that one, not be saga. Well, but I so poor you are one year to well at you. Well, ye can be at body with now. Who do you be at this one? Belly away. While la away. Here, my boy, I continue my song.
From courts, police, you stand. So, I say, you had an admission, you can't rush and go hospital. I said, did not know that she was pregnant. She just shook my wife. Was also known in hospital. At the end of the day, later came up. She forwarded the letter to my wife. She was pregnant. Why afraid of she get well? You want what? Babe, your goddaughter get belle, she get belle. See, I don't say relation. We lock up. My wife not know not be your husband. Give her belle. She call me on the peak. Then if like, I also come get back with ass. So now she come in. Daddy, I come pick. And this was here because they explain. I said, listen, you get belle. Relation. That's okay. If you get this belle now, you go make a quick release you for house arrest. To my own mentality, you not listen to idea. I said, come on, leave this belle. This belle now go see make the quick release you from house arrest. As go father my wife. He said, no, you know, if you don't want to move on, I will remove with your smart. I will remove.
My brother, you're not supposed to talk with smart. This kind of thing is record from Komozo. You say now you are there. You say now your wife has still there. You see we have for they block you. Your lies too much. You say me I call you now. You say now your wife I call. From Komozo. No, this thing not supposed to be say you they talk. Bring record and bring every day. Your woman still talk and you dey your woman house now. You say the hospital where I got the paper where me take remove belle. Your wife say you get her. Please, can you bring it out? Look bush. Brother, we forget one bogi for we forget a goosey for hotel. Abado.
Promoting my people. Now don't listen to everything. I beg make una not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.